Good afternoon, boys, and welcome to your math class. Today in maths, we are going to start our new lesson. The name of our lesson is Baking Biscuits, and it is on page number 28 of your learner's book. So kindly open your learner's book, page number 28, and be ready. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about or talk about how to compare weights. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to talk about weight and comparing weights. So we have different scales as you can see in the picture. We have analog and we have digital scale. I will tell you further. Before that, we are going to write the vocabulary words from this lesson. The first word is gram, scales, digital, kilogram, and analog. These are the 5 vocabulary words that we are going to learn from this lesson. Difference between digital and analog scale. So boys, you can see first there was analog scale. It was used handle, like we have analog clocks and watches, analog watches that we wear on our wrist. So likewise, we had a scale that is analog. Why it is called analog? Because it uses a handle, a needle to describe how much weight is put on. So here you can see that a handle is on 100 gram. So this is the weight of the scale. Whereas when you can see in the digital scale is much advanced than the analog scale, and it tells us exact amount. It tells us exact amount, and the amount is appeared on this part. The numbers are written on this scale. So we don't have to look thoroughly inside to find out where the pin is, okay, where the needle is. We just have to see on the screen and the weight of the things are appeared on the screen. 100 grams. Look, digital scale is much easier than the analog scales. Okay, boys, now we are going to talk about unit of weights. There are 2 units of weight, kilogram and grams, that we are going to study in this lesson, kilograms and grams. So we can write kilograms in like kg in the short form. Kg means kilogram. What kg means, boys? It means kilogram, and for grams we can use only g, grams. So we can write kilograms in kg and grams in g. So in kilograms we have 1000 grams. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So in 1 kilogram we have 1000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, scales. We have discussed that we have analog scales and we have digital scales. So analog is an old scale. Nowadays, most of the people, they use digital scale to measure, and they can weight the things on digital scale much easily rather than analog scale, because in analog scale we have to see the needle where it is. So sometimes we can make any mistake while checking it. But on digital scale, it is very easy. Just you have to put the things on up, and the amount, or the you can say the grams or kilograms, or that way that things is weight will appear on the screen here. You can just see the uh, grams and weight of the things and just note them out. So boys, let's first read a definitions of weight, gram, analog scales and digital scale. Here maybe you have some problem in reading, so you can open your book page number 28 and you can see in the vocabulary section it is given. Weight. How heavy or light an object is. It is measured in grams. So what is the meaning of weight? Weight means how heavy or light an object is, and the weight is measured in grams. What is gram? A metric unit of weight. A metric unit of weight is called gram. 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1,000 gram. One kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Analog scales measure the weight of an object. They display the weight unit, dial, and marked scales. For example, here you can see. Digital scale measures the weight of an object. They display the weight using digitals. For example, this one. Here you can see 100 grams and the needle is on 100 grams. So both but the difference is that in analog scale, you have to check the weight by yourself. But in digital scale, just you can see on the screen and you will know that what is the weight of thing. Okay, boys, this is your task one. Measure the weight of each object. There are different objects on the scale. Yes, the scale is analog scale. So you have to see where the needle is, okay? Then you can write on your notebook like 1 equals how many grams, 2 equals how many kilograms. So be careful. Some of the scales are in grams and some of the scales are in kilograms. So when you are writing the weight of things, you have to write in grams or kilograms. So be careful. This is your task, class task. So kindly solve this task, write question number and write the answer, okay? So when you finish, let me know. And you have to send this task to me. Students are playing. Ajit threw a bean bag 5 spaces. Mohinder threw a bean bag 8 paces. Siva threw a bean bag 11 paces. Who was the winner? How do you know? So who was the winner? Mohinder was a winner because he threw 8 paces. He threw his bean bag far away. So you can write here, Mohinder win because he threw far away. Mohinder win because he threw far away. Okay, next question. Dinesh ran the race in 12 seconds. Gopal ran the race in 22 seconds. Vishy ran the race in 17 seconds.